Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start on the video, please help me subscribe guys, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys can be updated. But I'm working on a 2010 Corolla 1.8. so the check engine light is there, and I'm going to show you the code. The code is for the air fuel ratio sensor. So the last code right here, I'm not worrying about it. She's trying to pass her smog, so I'm just fixing the air fuel ratio sensor, which is the O2 sensor on top before the cat. Bank 1 sensor 1 is before the cat, sensor 2 is after the cat. Now to take out the airbox is pretty easy. Just the clamp, the connector, and then you can pop the 2 clips back out, so you can get to remove, and then take out the whole thing, and then you can get access to the O2. I took out the air box right here to give me some room to get access to the O2 sensor, which is right there. You can see I spray a little bit of WD-40 and get it to break the rust off a little bit. Now I'm gonna take it off, break loose the oxygen sensor. Now I'm just gonna spin it out. Now I'm just loosening it out with my hand, and she comes right out like that. There you go. Here's the old one. And for the connector, it's located right here, right behind the let me show you. So where the valve cover is, right behind here. So this is the exact same thing, same length and everything, just a little cover is different. The connector is also the same thing. You can see it's a 4-pin connector right there, same length, everything. And before you install them, make sure you put anti-seize right there. So this one, they already put it for me, so I just got to install it. So I bought the original air fuel ratio sensor right here. This is bank 1, sensor 1. Sensor 1 is upstream, that's before the cat. So this is original. Here's the part number. Now I'm installing it back on the exhaust. Tighten it down all the way with hands. There you go. I'm gonna get my tool down there. Fits perfectly. And switch this to on. Tighten it. Just a little bit snug. That's it. Don't have to be crazy. The O2 wire, wrap it back into this clip right here, and then clip it back to the connector, clip it back to the bracket. That's it. So let me show you the code again. There you go. History should be the same. There you go. So now I'm gonna clear it, and then after that she's gonna have to drive about 100 miles on the freeway to get the drive cycle to clear, and she can do smog again. That's it. Try it again. There you go. So that is it for this video guys. So if you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment, leave a comment down below. But that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe guys. Peace.